What's up guys, John from TechSpace, and finally I can introduce my Traxxas UDR. Check it out. And what do you guys reckon? I think it came out beautifully. I'm very happy with how the blue and the red accents go together, and the truck really is standing out with the way it looks. Let me know in the comments down below whether you like the way my UDR came out, and also stay tuned guys, I've got an epic video that I filmed with the UDR, something that you guys might not have seen on YouTube yet. It's going to be an exciting one guys. You really need to make sure that you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers.